So here is the maze monster. Let's make his spawn point right in there. Right. So now we don't have any scripts for the maze monster, but we can make one. When green flag clicked, again, this is very useful. We'll need to go to control. We'll need another forever here. Motion. Point towards, and then we'll click this, and we'll do sprite 1, or a little smiley face right here. Point towards sprite 1, and move. Let's make him that fast. And then you should have this little wait, 1 second, or in this case, 0.1 seconds. So that he won't go too fast. So watch. Our little character is trying to escape the maze monster. And the maze monster is red, so if he touches the maze monster, he dies. But now here we have a glitch, because watch what happens when the maze monster reaches you. You just die over and over again, you can't escape. As he's on top of you, you can't move. So, we'll need to make it so that when he touches you, he dies too. Watch this. When the green flag clicked, forever, if touching color, and we want to make it yellow, then back in motion, go to this location. See this right here? This is very useful because it automatically updates to exactly where the sprite is. Watch. Now let's see our little game. Oh, it didn't work. Let's see if there's a reason why. Again, Scratch does have a few glitches. Maybe if you make more than one of these, it'll help, so it makes it more sensitive. I don't know why that glitch is happening. It only works some of the time. I have an idea though. Maybe if you make him wait like half a second before he touches, before he goes back to his spawn point, or right where he is right now, then the red monster will have time to react and go back to his spawn point. Let's see if this works. Yep, it worked. Seems that we have fixed a glitch, does it not? So we'll press the stop button and set everything back to normal. So we made a monster, but now we need to make a way for him to finish the maze and go on to the next level. So, again, we can make this timed later on if we want to, but we'll probably want to focus on getting him to the end of the maze first. We're going to make a new sprite. Too small. No, that's no good. Let's make him a little round dot. And this will be the go to the next level symbol. We'll want to make it so that when the green flag is pressed, it'll go to right where he is, so that the end of the maze isn't somewhere in the middle of the red, like right here. So now, when the green flag is pressed, he goes right there. But we'll want to do the same thing for Sprite 1 and the monster. So, we'll just do this. So we'll make another script for the monster. When green flag is pressed, go to right where he is. Or we can make this so that it matches the other ones. There we go. Now when the green flag is pressed, he starts over. Now, of course, we need to do that for our little character, Sprite 1. When the green flag is pressed, we already have it right here. Go to right there. And there we go. So now let's actually try to complete this maze, and then we'll fix the glitch of the end of the maze not really working, because we haven't written any scripts for it, except for one. Oh! Maybe I have made this a bit hard, we can always fix that later on. Oh dear! Yay! Oh no! Well, maybe we can make the monster a little bit slower. Let's see if this works. He's a bit slower now. Maybe the maze will be a tiny bit easier. Let's wait for him to come down here so we're not ambushed. Oh no! It may not be working very well. We can also choose a new spawn point for our monster. Very close there. Or, I have an idea. Maybe we can make it so that Sprite 1 gets a shield every once in a while. Maybe our little friend needs a shield. And to do this, we're going to need a variable. Now I'm starting with this variable distance. We're going to want to, when green flag pressed, set distance to 0. And, oh, here is my sister coming home. I'll be back in a moment.